company started in 2005 as Red Wine Audio until 2015 when it became Vinnie Rossi. In the early years, we were really perfecting our craft, honing in on new designs, things that are different on the market, primarily using vacuum tubes in the line stage, solid state in the output, so hybrid designs. So in 2015, we decided we were going to not continue with battery power designs, and we decided if we're going to change our core of what we do, it was time to change the name from Red Wine Audio to Vinnie Rossi. So when Vinnie Rossi started in 2015, the first product was called 𝘚𝘰𝘶𝘯𝘏, L-I-O. This was a modular platform that allowed users to add in modules, configure a box the way they wanted. What that allowed for is easy upgradability, getting the features that you needed, but we couldn't just get the raw power out of a one-box solution. So from there, we made a radical transition to the Brama series. And then with Brama came leaps and bounds improvements in terms of sound, in terms of build quality, layout, every conceivable thing that goes into a product design, even industrial design. Like, we really stepped it up to compete at a much higher level.
The Vinnie Rossi brand caught my eye for a couple of reasons. Having amazingly engineered products, looking minimalist lifestyle, and having a very, very musical background. First time listening to the product convinced me to try and bring this brand further in the global market.
Our facility is here in Worcester, Massachusetts in the United States. This is where we manufacture the Brama series. So from everything that we've learned over the years, we have taken really to make Brama extraordinary. That goes for not just our hybrid design approach, where we use vacuum tubes for voltage gain in the line stage and MOSFET Class AB output stage for the power output, but also in terms of power supply topology, the actual chassis and structure of how that's all put together, the user interface, so we're talking about the remote, which is unique on the market as well, and also other aspects in terms of the industrial design, the fit and finish has all been refined.
Talking about the team, Vinnie himself is a very passionate and precise engineer. His life is dedicated to this brand. We have here nice people who are helping production, and the whole atmosphere is familiar, passionate, and very human.
We were looking for the highest possible quality in the chassis design and manufacturing. The metal finishing was very important for us, and we ended up going with a company in the United Kingdom for that. So that gets imported. As far as the other components like the PCBs, that's all assembled locally. And then we do all the assembly of the product from when these parts all come in. We build and test here. Throughout the years of designing preamplifiers, we found that we could never achieve the sound we were looking for with just solid state topology. And we tried different forms, JFET, MOSFET, everything. We started early with 9-pin triodes and then 8-pin, but then found ourselves really honing in on what we were looking for when we got into directly heated triodes. And it's unusual to see a 300B implemented in a voltage gain stage instead of a power output stage, but we found that tube delivered all the things special that we were looking for. In terms of the mid-range magic, the depth and space, the sense of realism and scale that we just found solid state was leaving us feeling a little flat, like it just wasn't doing it for us. And we needed to implement this tube in a way that would achieve the lowest possible noise floor. And it's tricky to do such a thing when you're dealing with directly heated triodes, but using custom regulator technology, grounding techniques, we were able to achieve that. We use Western Electric 300B triodes made in the United States, and our products use match pairs.
When music lovers all around the world think about audio, we want to have the Vinnie Rossi name coming in their mind first.
So throughout 20 years, it's been such an evolution in terms of how we think about product design from the ground up, and not just in terms of sound quality, but also in terms of build quality, user interface, industrial design, even the packaging. It all matters so much. And we've learned that throughout the years, really what the customer wants to see. The whole user experience, start to finish, needs to be thought out carefully. And we learned to do that. It's taken us many years with getting feedback from all our customers. what they're looking for. It's really made us better.